Hey, what's going on? It's Ninja Tips, and check it out. Today I'm going to help you guys, all you gamers out there, all you small channels that want to start out something fresh with a freaking nice intro, maybe an outro to go with it. I'm going to help all of you guys here. And again, I'm Ninja Tips, and here I got a request from this user here, I Panic. He stopped by my channel. He's a small channel, 26. I remember when I was there, bro. So I'm gonna, what really hit me is the way he asked. He's like, "Hey, good video, brother, could you do an intro video for my channel if you don't mind?" And I'm like, "Oh crap, dude, really? Fucking more work?" Nah, but he was like, "Okay." I took something positive out of that. I'm like, "Okay, you just gave me an idea. Maybe I can do the tutorial." All right. Well, he's like, "Hey, but bro," he's like, "I edit on mobile. Can you do me a favor? I'm not on the computer." And that really hit me. I'm like, "Yeah, damn, you're a small channel. Let's go, bro." All right. So first thing to do, guys, is you just go to panzoid.com. As it's kind of like stealing people's work, to be honest, but a lot of people really do get credit for their work here. So in reality, you're kind of customizing theirs. We're gonna use this one for I Panic here, for example, right? Open that up, right click, open link to new tab. We're here. We see a bunch of random, okay, but we have to click on this eyeball to actually see what's gonna be able to come here.
Easy.
Okay, so we do see something, but we're gonna customize it, like I said. So here we're gonna switch the resolution to 720p after on this one here, 30 frames per second. Length, it tells you there what's the length. Who cares? Well, it kind of does matter. We're not gonna add any extra fancy stuff, and it tells you all the objects that are here for this scene. There's a Dragunov, to see that sniper that was there. Bunch of pictures and okay, but what we really care about here is the text. Normally all this stuff is not here. Okay, so we got the text here, right? Agent Gaming. All right, so this is gonna be changed to I Panic. I Panic, an X for an A, because that's awesome, bro. Are you kidding me? Max power. All right, I Panic. All right, you can change the custom. I mean the font, but we're gonna keep it at custom. You're gonna also change this one. Bam. Enter. You gotta press enter for it to register. What's this? The knife. Okay. All right. Let's go. Do we have any more text? Dude, the sensitivity on my mouse is ridiculous. Okay. So let's see how it looks right now. Let's try it out. See if we like it.
Easy go.
Hey, that doesn't look that bad at all. Holy crap. And that was really fast. So how to save this? Well, you got everything ready. Okay, so you go to how the quality that you I usually always go for extreme quality. You will have to go for this one. These are trash, bro. Extreme, but it takes a long time to load. MKV is fine, whatever. Start the render. It's gonna be like 20 minutes, I bet. You just gotta wait it out, and the whole preparation time. You saw that it wasn't that fast. Sometimes you gotta customize, like I said, with these other shape thingies, the extra things that you can add. But for the most part, it's just change this text and voila, you gotta wait for the damn time. 20 minutes. Look at that. I guessed it pretty good. Oh damn, it went. Okay, so we cut down some time. Well, guys, anyways, sorry. Holy shit, losing my breath here. Anyways, have a great freaking time customizing your own intros and outros. Just trying to help out the small channels. Peace out.